Jesus is coming back in 2026? This video will shock you. Jesus said in Matthew chapter 24:36, "But of that day and hour knows no man, no not the angels in heaven, but my Father only." But he never said we couldn't discern the year, the seasons, or the signs. In fact, Jesus gave us clear signs so we could recognize the generation of his return. He said, "And when you shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, be you not troubled, for such things must needs be. But the end shall not be yet. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines, troubles, and those are the beginnings of sorrows." Now look at what is happening in 2026. Wars are still raging, Ukraine remains at war, and the Middle East has been thrown into another major conflict. Famine is getting worse. In 2026, the UN has identified Sudan, South Sudan, Yemen, and Palestine among the world's most critical hunger hotspots, with millions facing severe food insecurity. And the disasters keep coming. Europe is facing major wildfires, while extreme heat and drought are damaging crops and disrupting water and transportation. We are watching them happen right now in 2026. And Jesus warned us that this would be the beginnings of sorrows. But do you know what God is doing right now? God says, God seeks those who long for Him to appear. He seeks those who are able to hear His words, those who have not forgotten His commission, and offer up their hearts and bodies to Him. He seeks those who are as obedient as babes before Him and do not resist Him. If you devote yourself to God, unimpeded by any power or force, then God shall look upon you with favor and shall bestow His blessings upon you. God is seeking people who can hear His words. But are you truly listening? The signs are here, yet watching them is not enough. Message the WhatsApp number on your screen to join our free Bible study and learn to recognize His voice. Comment "I'm watching" and share this video. Someone you love misses the warning.